Welcome friends. Now let's see how we can rotate the sprite. So here you can select any sprite. For example, let's say T. And here by selecting the direction, when you change this angle, it will rotate the T. But this is we are doing manually. What here I'm going to do, I'm going to change this rotation whenever we click on the sprite. Let's say the alphabet L. I'm going to rotate it. I'm going to turn it to 15 degree whenever I click on it. For this, my friend, you need to go to the motion because it represents the motion and drag and drop turn 15 degree. You can also change this degree to 30 or whatever degree you want. Now when I press on it, it is just changing. Here, let's say we need to turn this letter for number of times. Here you can select, go to control and drag and drop repeat. And you can see now when we click on it, it will repeat for 10 times. But as you can see, it is moving very fast. You can use one more control, that is the wait. By using the wait, we can make a wait of certain second. For this, you need to go to control, drag and drop wait. So when you click on it, it will rotate and wait for 1 second. As you can see it. Control block has many features like this. You can use wait, you can use repeat, you can just repeat the same forever by using for block. You can also use many conditional statements like if then. We will talk about it. In this way, my friend, you can perform a rotation for your sprite. I suggest you to try the same with your own name. Thanks for watching it.